With the coronavirus in full swing, fear and panic have begun to grow. In order to reassure my friends and family back home, I've decided to share my real opinions on current news and my daily life here in China. This is Viral Videos with me, Ryan. My father and I always joke about how we as humans are so good at convincing ourselves that this'll never happen to me. But now that there have been confirmed deaths in my home state of Florida, I want to take a minute to go into detail about steps you can and should take to protect yourself. All of the following are official suggestions from the Chinese CDC. They've worked to keep me safe and healthy through this whole ordeal, and I really think they'll help you too. Let's start with two must-dos. Number 1, wear a mask. Did you hear me? Wear a mask. Especially in places where people gather. The main ways COVID-19 can spread are close contact or through respiratory droplets from a sneeze or cough. Number 2, wash your hands frequently. Whether you're going out or heading home, be sure to keep your hands clean. Wash them carefully with hand sanitizer, following the 20 seconds rule. Your hands touch everything, everywhere, so make sure to wash them regularly. Large crowds pose one of the biggest risks of infection, so I think it's really important to focus on infection prevention in public areas. When taking the subway or bus, be sure to wear a mask. Try to choose a position with access to fresh air. Touch as little as possible. After getting off, remember not to touch your face, eyes, nose, or mouth. Sanitize your hands first to keep yourself germ-free. If you drive your own car, try to avoid peak commute times. In this case, you don't need to wear a mask, but you should roll down your windows for some fresh air. Walking is perfectly fine, so long as you stay 1.5 to 2 meters away from others. If there's a crowd in your way, or if people are talking, you should walk around them to avoid it. When you get to your destination, office building or residential, you should take the stairs if possible. Don't touch the stair railings. If it helps, tell yourself it's bonus exercise. If you're on a higher floor and you have to use the elevator, you should wear disposable gloves or use a wipe to operate the lift. Immediately after exiting, throw the wipe into the trash. It's always a good move to wipe down anything you use with alcohol as well, but it needs to be 75% alcohol or higher to be effective. New information is constantly coming out, and with it, new ways to protect yourself. Be sure to always keep an eye out for updates and new tips. Just today, I saw this chart that says having a full beard essentially makes wearing a mask useless. If you know me, you know how much I love my beard. But if it keeps me alive,
safe and sound in Beijing. I'm Ryan, and I miss my beard.